In this video, let me show you how to earn money words you type, which is a new strategy to earn money this year 2021 online. How to do this? We are about to find out. This is how you type money per word. So you can type only one word in this box, click save and then click make and you will $25 to $30 to be paid. The best thing is that you can do it again and again, earn money again and every day anywhere in the world. But you said it properly and I will in this video you will explain in detail. Signing up on this website is absolutely free. You do not need to invest any money upfront and you don't need any super writing skills. I mean, you can just copy and paste that one word if you don't want to write it yourself. So before I show you how it works, if you like this video be sure to drop one you like to make money online. And see if we can get 1,000 likes, this is the one, so scroll down and tap the like button. And don't forget, I have a special bonus at the end of this video, unique tip that can help you earn 5 times more than anyone else, so be sure to keep looking all the way around and until finish. Let's start now. So this is the main platform we will use. This is the website where we build a simple video with a single word. So you just type in a word and this website professionals will make high quality videos for you. And in return, you can actually pay $20 to $30 per video you make. So as you can see here, the easiest way is to make awesome videos, and don't worry, you're not to do this one needs to be a professional editor. You don't need any editing skills for this, you don't need a camera, you won't have to do anything and you don't have to show your face. All you have to do is type in a single word. And I will show you how to do this and how to pay. So as you can see here, choose your favorite video template, fully customize it online and make them your video instantly. So you don't have to wait for it, you can start making money today. It could not be easier than this. Obviously, it is with just one word and you can repeat it again. This website, this tool is called motionden.com, but don't go directly to this website because you will not know how to use it properly, really earn money just by typing a single word. So instead, follow each step of this video and by the end, you will actually know what to do and how to earn money online. So first of all, after coming to motionden.com, I want you to click this button right here, start, so that you can sign up. You can do this either by connecting to your Facebook or Google account, which is very easy and fast because it requires just one click of a button. But if you don't want to do that, you can sign up for your email address and manually please enter your details. After that, you can easily sign up for less than 1 minute. Once you sign up and log in on motionden.com, then you can browse all of these separate templates you can use to make a professional watch video in less than a minute by entering a single word. So as you can see on the left here, you can make all videos of this type, all in various categories. You can make advertisements, animated videos, you can also make videos for businesses, corporate videos, e-commerce videos, educational videos, Facebook videos, YouTube videos as well, intros, outros, and so on and so forth. And you have all these different types of templates that are very professional, you can browse and use, and that which I will explain. How are you? Now, as part of the bonus tip I promised, there are 2 specific categories that we will focus on, allowing you $20 to $30 per word you type. So I want you to pay attention to its intros or outros. Forget about all these different categories. I want you to focus only on the intro and outer because they are the easiest. And these are the categories that will allow you to make $20 or more for one word. So let's choose the intro. And he's going to give you some of these templates you can use. Scroll a little and find something very interesting. For example, I will only use it to show how do you make this really work. Then I will click on it. And to customize it, all I need to do is click edit this video. So now once I come to this page, all I need to do is click on this box, can type in that one word. And I'll show you what's going to determine what is the word going to be. But suppose in this case the word is gamer, I can just type in gamer and click save, and then make the video and click oh. That is the matter. Now they will generate that video instantly for me. And I'm going to show you how you can sell this type of video again for $20 to $30 and I am going to show you the proof of this. It really works because people are already with this we earn money every day strategy. So if we continue the dashboard, you will be able to see that my video is now rendering. I just need to wait a minute, they must have made it for me. As you see, it took only one word to type in the box. And now I have a completely custom-made high-quality introduction by which I can make money. So let's review the process. So first of all, you can start with quickhandgigs.com. This is a freelancing website where millions of people come to sell their services one day. So you have people like me and various services for other entrepreneurs and business owners. You can see that they have partnered with some major companies: PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. And this is only one of many different freelancing websites we can use. Now if you search on the intro and outer this website, you will see that there are so many people who don't provide this type of services that are beneficial for our part, and who are providing these services are already making money. And for you, that's going to take just one single word to type with the help of motionturn.com, and you can sell it quickly on this platform. And once again, this is only one platform where you can provide and sell this service: intros and outros. You can also use websites like peopleperhour.com. Here, if you type in the intro, you will be able to see more people providing this service. And they are all selling. They are all making hundreds if not thousands of sales. However, you can also use Fiverr if you want to maximize your results. Now, as I promised you, here is the bonus tip. I want you to focus more on the first two freelancing websites that I have mentioned other compared to Fiverr, because they are not both competitive compared to Fiverr. On Fiverr, there are thousands of people providing a more equal service. While on these websites, it is not many people provide those services and demand is very high. There are many buyers, but there are not many vendors, which means that it is correct. A complete start means you can do it right away. Join this website and potentially get loads without an established vendor of sales. But you can also connect with Fiverr. I mean, it costs you nothing to publish gig on Fiverr. You can still use other freelancing websites. So this is a massive capability, but competition is high on Fiverr. So I definitely recommend all of you try different freelancing websites. Don't focus only one. Once you get a sale, it takes only one word for you to type in this box. So the word the buyer will give you, they want you to keep it inside this box. You just click save again, and click create video, and then you click continue on the dashboard. When you render it, you wait for a little, and as you can see, you will be able to download this as for your computer. Now, to download it without this watermark, you have to pay about $9. So it's $9 per video, but if you sell it for $30 or $40, you're still in high profit, and the best part is that you don't have to advance any money. You can wait until you get a sale on them. Freelancing website, and then use that money to pay $9 to motionturn.com. So for $9 you get a very professional custom video created. It takes just less than a minute to make $30, and you can finish it. And once again, motionturn.com will work hard for you. All you have to do is type a single word. This is exactly how to make money per word you type 2021 this year. So there we go. And now if you want to earn even more money, please check the first link on the details given below to learn how to earn free bitcoins using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners 2021. This year, whoever without can experience past. Yes, it is possible, and I will show you exactly how to get there in that video. Check this out. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few video.